Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video as an explanation to the first assignment that I have made for the subject design patterns. The assignment was actually to take any design pattern, explain it with an example. So for the assignment, I have taken decorator design pattern. The intent for this design pattern is to add responsibility to the objects dynamically during the runtime, and it provides a flexibility to the user over subclassing, because if we add a subclass, it has to be static. Besides, if subclass is added to another class, that functionality is added to the entire class. And client specified embellishment of a core object is recursively wrapping it. That means enhancing what we already have and make it look and feel better while we are using it. So the problem is, if we want to add a behavior or state to an individual object during runtime, inheritance would not be a wise choice because that is static, as I already mentioned. So if we go to the structure of the decorator design pattern, any client that we are working with will be more interested in the core functionality rather than the optional functionalities, um, all the optional functionalities that we have. Suppose for this example, we take this structure diagram. So we have an interface, core functionality, and then optional wrapper. So if we want some additional functionality which are optional, client will not be very much interested in those, but he will be very much interested in the core functionality, how is it working, and what should be produced from it. Coming to a simple example, if we want to decorate an Xmas tree for Christmas, so what we do is we take a tree and we just put some ornaments on it. We add lights to it and then switch on the light. The tree looks beautiful. We have decorated it. Overall, the tree has not been damaged. It's not modified. The tree was intact as it was. Only we have added some new functionalities to it. Now it looks pretty good. Another example would be an assault gun. Like if we simply take a gun, it will be very small, not very helpful. But if we add scopes, barrels, and additional mags to it, then it becomes a very deadly weapon. So here is the example for an assault gun. We have the weapon. So here we have the base weapon, which looks very simple. Besides, we won't be able to use it that well. But if we add some weapon accessories to it, like scopes and barrels, and if we have an option, we can add a small shotgun or another small SMG to it. Then the weapon becomes even more deadlier than as a base weapon. And here are some rules of thumbs. That means when we compare decorator to any other design pattern, what are the similarities and what are the dissimilarities? First comparison is with the adapter design pattern. Adapter changes an object's interface and decorator enhances the object's responsibilities. Composite and decorator design pattern have quite similar structure diagram, but reflecting the fact that both rely on recursive composition to organize an open-ended number of objects. Um, okay. Still comparing decorator and composite. A decorator can be viewed as a degenerate composite with only one component. Decorator adds additional responsibilities, and it's not intended for object aggregation. Uh, Next, decorator helps us to add responsibilities or functions to any object without the use of subclass. And if we use decorator design pattern, whatever functionalities that we are adding, it won't be applied to the entire class, but just to the object. Then next comparison is between decorator and proxy. They both have different purposes, but the structure is quite similar. Both describe how to provide a level of indirection to another object, and the implementations keep a reference to the object to which they forward requests. And another one is like decorator lets you change the skin of an object, and strategy lets you change the guts. That means basically if we are using a decorator design pattern, we will be enhancing it, modifying it, making it look better, making it look simple for the user. And while using a strategy, we have to change it entirely, how it works, the way it should work, and the way it should produce a result to a deeper extent. So this is all that I have to show, the assignment that I have prepared. I hope what I have done is clear and acceptable for this assignment. Thank you.